up, brothers? We have Samsung G7 Prime not working. We got similar case as before. I just wanted to share it with you. The device looks good. There is no any sign of damage of the screen. Power on the device, there is no response. Bring the charger, put the charger on. Also, there is no response. Remember, not all cases should be like this case. So if your device doesn't work, doesn't mean I'm bad. Press power button while the in charger, there is no sign of life. To make this happen and work, we need to press volume down, home button, power button all together until screen hit. It's 3 buttons: volume down, power button, home button. Keep pressing until this screen hit. It's downloading mode. You have 2 choices: volume up, continue, volume down to cancel. You need to volume down to cancel, and that's it. These steps was easy to solve this problem of the Galaxy J7 Prime. If you guys have any problem, just leave it in the comment below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. See ya, my friends. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.